Hi, hello and what's up guys, welcome back to PopItDk, and today we are here to discuss about some of the best Chrome extensions that will be very helpful in our day-to-day life. So let's get started.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign.
So at number 1 we have the PIP Chrome extension, which is called the picture-in-picture Chrome extension. I'll be clicking on the first link and here I'll be getting an option called add to Chrome. I'll be clicking on add to Chrome and I'll add the extension. So this is how an extension needs to be added, and after adding the extension I'll be coming to this puzzle option right here and I'll be pinning this picture-in-picture. And now we'll see what are the features of this picture-in-picture extension. I'll be coming to YouTube and I'll open any random video, and here you can see after opening the video there will be this option of picture-in-picture. I'll be clicking on this and what you will see, the main screen will turn black and here you will find YouTube hovering above everything. So here now I can just do anything, I can search anything, I can open up anything, but this will always be at top. I can even resize this one and make the adjustment, and at the same time I can do other stuff as well. So this extension basically lets us hover not only YouTube, other videos as well. The next that is on our list is the Touch VPN Chrome extension. So it's nothing but a simple VPN, but here we don't have to download any application for using the VPN. We can simply add it to our Chrome and it will give us all the features of a VPN. And after downloading the VPN, adding it to Chrome, what I can do is I can always add it to my pin section. And now what I'll be doing is I'll be simply clicking on this, and here we can choose other locations as well, but I'll always suggest to use the best choice that they are providing. In that case you will be getting good speed, and now if you browse any site nothing will be blocked, and at the same time if I look for my IP address it will always show some different IP address which is obviously not my IP address. If I click on this IP address I'll see it is somewhere else. See, it is showing as New South something. Let me agree to whatever it is saying. Yeah, here you can see it is showing as New South Wales, Australia. So it's the best VPN that you can use, that too only by adding it as an extension. On next we have the WAWave Plus extension, which is basically for WhatsApp. There are lots of customizations for WhatsApp available with this extension. Let us check it out. I'll be adding it to Chrome and I'll be adding the extension, and after adding this extension I'll be doing the same thing. I'll be coming here and I'll be pinning the extension, and then I'll be opening my WhatsApp web, wave.whatsapp.com, and let's check out what are the options that we are getting after using this WAWave Plus extension. So once the WhatsApp is opened, I'll be clicking here in this extension again, and here there are tons of options that are available, like I can blur the recent messages, I can blur the contact names, I can blur the contact photos, and I can hide my online status, I can hide my typing status, and there are other options which you can check out. At the same time there are enable lock screen option where you need to set your password and you can lock your chat. If you want to take a screenshot you can do that as well, and there are other options which you can check out. The most important option that I can see here is the restore deleted messages option. You can check out all the options that are available. Basically this extension works for WhatsApp and this is a lovely extension. I have been using it since the last 3 to 4 months and really loving it. Next we have the Keepa Chrome extension, which is basically the price tracker for Amazon. I'll be downloading the extension again and adding it to my Chrome, and here I'll be pinning it as well. Now let me open Keepa right here, and at the same time I'll be opening Amazon here and I'll look for any random product. Let me take this trolley bag here and let me take this one, and I'll be copying the name. I'll now come to Keepa right here, and here is the search section. I'll be directly pasting the name of the product, and here I can see that, oh my god, the price is 1699 now, and this is the lowest price which is available for this trolley bag. the price has gone up to 3187. So if somebody wants to buy this trolley bag, this is the correct time. So basically what Keepa does is Keepa actually shows you the complete price tracking of that product which is available on Amazon, and at the same time you can check the products of other city or country as well by changing the domain. For me, I have selected as india.com.ca and others are available as well. Next we have the temp mail Chrome extension. I'll be downloading the extension again and adding to my Chrome. And this extension basically does is it will give you some temporary mail for signing up in different websites. Here I'll be opening it. I'll be again coming here and I'll be pinning it for handy usage. And here I can see that this email something@msbag.com, this has been given to me, and if I receive any message here or any mail here, it will be right here, it will be showing up here. Let me send out a mail to this email address and see if I receive it or not. You can see that there is a red 1 written here, and at the same time inbox is also showing as 1. I'll be clicking it and I can see that there is something in the inbox. I'll give it some time to load, and see here the one which is indicating that I have already received a mail, and here I have got some mail from something called Apa Ghosh, and that is actually my mail address. Okay, here I can see a hello is there. So basically this is a temporary email that you have got, and you can dispose it anytime and you can change it anytime. Hope this list of the Chrome extensions was helpful and you'll be using it in your day-to-day life. So that was all from PopItDk today. Don't forget to hit on the like and the subscribe button. Bye bye, see you and take care.